Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
It's development versus two people joining hands together. Agnel is not today a punch member also of Kalangut constituency. Joseph is not even punch member of Kalangut constituency. They have lost power. People have thrown them out, not Michael Lowe. आता ते खंय तरी एकठांय जाल्या दाखोवपाक की आमी परतून लोकांक एकठांय करया म्हणून दॅट वी आर द सुप्रीम लिडर्स ऑफ कलंगूट. नो, यू आर नॉट द सुप्रीम लीडर. सुप्रीम लिडर्स आर द पीपल ऑफ कलंगूट. मायकल लागा जाल्यार तिसऱ्याक जिखोन हाडटले पूण हेंका ना परतून. हेंका लोकांनी 20 वर्सां पयल्या. भाड्याचे जे मनीस आहा हो कोण एकलो कोण बोल्ला थिंगा तो कोण एंटनी डिसुजाचो भाव कोण तरी पीटर डिसुजा, एंटनी डिसुजा, जॉन डिसुजा, खूब जाण आहा तेंचे कडेन ते कोर्टान केसी घालपाक फारीक कोत्ता हे.
आता आग्नेल ओळमी भायर सरता पळय तशी भायर सरला तो. कितल्या वर्सांनी? 9 वर्सां जाली. 9. तेणे कांय करूंक ना. हांव मनीस वायट म्हणना तो, मनीस बरो.
ही गॅरंटी म्हाजे कडसून बरोवन घे आयज की टिकेट आग्नेलाक ना.
जोसेफाक
काँग्रेसीची टिकेट आग्नेलाक ना.
जोसेफाक
फुडल्या कोणाक मेवता ती पळोवया. जोसेफाक मेळूंक शकता, कित्याक मेळूंक शकना. आग्नेलाक मात ना की आग्नेल काँग्रेसीन रावतलो काय आग्नेल आप पार्टीक जॉइन जातलो काय गोवा फॉरवर्डाक जॉइन जातलो.
There is a case registered against him by his own government of forgery of government letters. Forgery. So when he says, who is Lok Ayukta to tell me that I am not fit? Your own government thinks you are a crook. They filed a case against you for forgery in the case. Forging his own documents. Now he will tell Agnel Shandlolo, Joseph Shandlolo, ते कितें उलयता. शेणल्यार आनी रोहन जर कितें उलयत तो शेणपाचो आहा. जयेश कितें उलयत तो शेणपाचें. शेणलेले वो शेणपाचें आहा म्हणून तुका चोरूंक दिवपाचें. Your drug business, we should allow you to let prostitution flourish in Kalangut. We should allow you to do your casinos in Kalangut. So we should just keep quiet and allow you to do all this. That is a complaint. That is why the Lok Ayukta has rightly said he is not fit to be a minister. And although the CM says it is recommendatory, the orders, they are not. You go to 16A, section 16A, it is mandatory. And our president of the party has already said we are going to take this to the logical conclusion. If the government does not act, we will go to the High Court with the recommendation of this and make sure that he is not there because he is destroying. Why the Lok Ayukta says this is a fit case for corruption and that he is not fit to be a minister.
The judge which he has passed the order was unsound at the time of passing the order. How can he say this?